How to make a tattoo stencil. A tattoo stencil is a stencil that is used to create an ink or henna tattoo. Creating your own stencil allows you to personalize a design or create a tattoo to your specifications. This is a useful technique that helps ensure that you like the tattoo design before you commit to a permanent tattoo. Instructions. Step 1. Pick or design the tattoo of your choice. Draw it or print it on regular paper first. Take the time to review every aspect, color and line. This gives you the chance to make sure it is exactly the tattoo you want. Step 2. Lay the transfer paper on a flat surface. Place a carbon paper ink side down onto the transfer paper. Step 3. Tape your design onto the top of the carbon paper and transfer paper to hold it in place. Step 4. Trace a design with a pencil. Press hard along the line so the tattoo design transfers completely. Make sure to trace each line of the design. Step 5. Cut the design out of the transfer paper, leaving about 2 inches around each edge. Step 6. Rub a glycerin-based deodorant over the area of skin where you want the tattoo. This moistens the skin and allows the transfer to stick. Step 7. Put the transfer paper on your skin on the moistened area. Rub the stencil into the skin until all of the transfer has been placed on the skin. Step 8. Trace around the outsides of the tattoo with henna or body art paint. Another option is to add the colors with paint so you get the full picture of the tattoo.